A stereo bassline that works also on mono systems, can glide and can be punchy? Yes, we do it today in Ableton Live's operator synthesizer. Let's have a look. So first we open up the basic instance of operator. Then we change the waveform to Saw D. Next, we watch for the envelopes. For my bass, I will put up the attack time a little bit. Make the decay a bit longer. And shorten the release time. It's not what I like at the moment, so I will do some more changes. First, put in the filter. Lower the resonance. As we have a gliding note, I will activate the pitch envelope. Activate glide and lower the time a little bit. This sounds pretty good. As we want to make this bass line a bit stereo, we use the spread. As I told in former tutorials, the real sub-end of the bass line must be mono to translate very good on club sound systems and on small boom boxes. For this we open an EQ8. We set it to MS mode, leave the mid as it is, switch to the sides and set a low cut. I like this low cut around 170 Hz. Without, with. Now you can add EQ, saturation and low cut as much as you like. Also a bit of compression is pretty nice on this sound. So the basic sound is done now. Now it's time to add compression, EQing, sidechain compression and any magic you want to spread on this sound. It's just a starting point for your next Sawtooth bassline.